What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So I'm going to do a camera comparison between a fan favorite Galaxy Note 9 that came out in 2017 against the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Look, both of these devices is true flagships in their own era. But the Galaxy Note 9 is a fan favorite. This is a requested video, by the way. And a lot of people ask the question, how far have we came along when it comes down to the cameras between the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy S21 Ultra? Now, both of these devices is true flagships. I mean, both of them is great. The Galaxy Note 9 is, again, one of people's fan favorite. So let's put these two titans head to head and see which one is King Supreme. All right, so before I start all my camera reviews, I wipe the camera lens because there's no excuses. And also, I do two dedicated videos, one daytime, one nighttime. But this one right here is all about the daytime. I will do a nighttime video with both of these devices to see how I look at night. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Woo! Let's have some fun with the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Let's go.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is, the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, look, one of the reasons why I believe a lot of people, a lot of Samsung fans love the Galaxy Note 9 is because the cameras and video still footage is phenomenal on this device. And you know what's so funny? As I've been doing all this photography and video with the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy S21 Ultra, guess what? It haven't got hot, unlike the Galaxy S21 Ultra. This device right now, as of me recording this video out here, the Galaxy Note 9 is pretty much cool to the touch, but the Galaxy S21 Ultra is supremely hot. Is that even a word? Supremely? But yes, it's extremely hot. Look, I don't know what Samsung gonna do to try to do something with this heat, but think about it. I'm shooting with both devices. I'm out here in the elements, of course. The Galaxy Note 9 is not hot, but the Galaxy S21 Ultra is so hot, I don't even know how long I can even shoot this video. But here it is. I want y'all guys to see this. The sky, beautiful. Beautiful. Now it's a 4K 10-minute limit on the Galaxy Note 9, but man, this is absolutely amazing. That's what I'm talking about. So this is the rear cameras, shooting it in 4K, the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy S21 Ultra.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera of the Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, as of me recording this video, and I know it's a known fact that the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Galaxy S21 series of devices got overheating issues. And I'm going to tell you, out here, the Galaxy Note 9 has been doing a very good job. The Galaxy S21 Ultra pretty much overheated on me a couple of times, and I had to shut it off to kind of keep it cool. Galaxy Note 9 is doing a fantastic job, but I mean, it is what it is, right? Hopefully Samsung will fix this device, but right now with the overheating issues on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, I don't know if it's a reliable device, even shooting video. If you're going to be outside in the element, you just make sure you have an ice pack with you. All right, so this is Eric the Tech Preacher. You let me know down in the comments below which one you prefer. Look, I can see right now that the Galaxy S21 Ultra has a better image on the front-facing camera compared to the Galaxy Note 9. But hey, the Galaxy Note 9 can shoot videos all day, you know, without overheating. The Galaxy S21 Ultra can't. You let me know down in the comments below. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. See you guys on the next video. Peace.
Dan Tana.